We did a project for an Italian billionaire, and he had this important sculpture, and we made this. We gave him a proposal. We were going to crush instruments that we bought off eBay. We were going to, put a bunch of brass instruments in a cube or a dais. And we had a couple of different options of things that were crushed, and one of them was a bale of cardboard. And he chose the bale of cardboard. This door was, it articulated open. We just take these different kinds of cardboard and paper, and we give them different edge treatments. This has more of a deckled edge. We rip these on the bench. This one's cut with a dull bandsaw blade, and it picks up in the finish.
So typically what we'll start, like we know roughly the cabinet we're working with or whatever surface that we want to work with. We'll start sort of by drawing on the panel. We know that we want to have a certain amount of movement in general that is going to sort of dictate how the flow of the piece and how we want things to go.
So all these things attract the different glazes and highlights that we do with our patinas, and we're just constantly evolving. And that's what makes it interesting, is the variety of different moves that we're creating on the surface, or this edge detail or profile that we created. We want it to be not portrayed what it is. We don't want who's ever seeing it to view it as cardboard.
Go to cardboard, yeah.
Yeah.
So we sort of use that to just tack the pieces in the shape that we want. As it transforms through the different layers of resin where we're freezing the panel, it starts looking another way. And then when you apply, like when we put our metallized finishes on it and we start burnishing and polishing it, it really transforms and becomes something else.
These can also be used in commercial applications. There's a fire-rated product that we can use on them, and you can feel they're very stiff.